Hey guys, update. We are at Panama City Hotel. We have this whole entire really cool bedroom, but this is the best part. I got some takeout food and I got myself a nice Coca-Cola. Woo! I'm living good tonight, guys. Look at the chicken strip and the French fries with the chicken strips. And the nice Coca-Cola. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having an amazing night. Seriously, we have a wedding tomorrow, and I'm going to be recording the speech that my mom is going to give, and I'm going to be posting it on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. You don't want to miss it.